महिला सुरक्षा और सशक्तिकरण के लिए इंडिया टुडे की विशेष मुहिम में आईएम शक्ति में आज महिला और बाल कल्याण विकास मंत्री मेनका गांधी शामिल हो चुकी है। सीधे आपको हम वहां लिए चलते हैं।
Every program and focusing it on children, but if we could focus it immediately on adults, because they have the power to change much more than children, we would be able to work it. Okay, we have. Okay.
One question, ma'am. Post tragic Nirbhaya, a lot of things. UPA government also announced, your government also announced, and in that one you had already discussed, for which I would like to know that what is the real status of this ambitious Nirbhaya center, because I have been told that it is stuck somewhere in the official red tape. Second, do you have also plans to overhaul this NCW, which is more like a political platform rather than a real women platform?
Okay, both of these are really annoying questions. Okay, the Nirbhaya centers are done and are in cabinet. Now we have to wait till cabinet passes them. The minute they're passed by cabinet, the funding is ready, the AFCs have been done, the states have all written in saying that they would like to do it. Lots of states have announced it, in fact, in their own budgets, the Nirbhaya centers. Every member of parliament has written to me saying that he would like them. So we're just waiting for cabinet. Now, perhaps it's been delayed because of two things. One is the elections, so everybody was busy there. And the second perhaps is because we still haven't made our presentation to the Prime Minister, as every ministry does, because he's been going abroad because of the elections. And so once we make our presentation, maybe we'll make it clearer. The second question was about the National Commission for Women. It is quite true that in the beginning, this National Commission for Women ran into a whole lot of glitches from the Law Ministry, because we had asked for, we had sort of gone really strong in order to strengthen it. Now we have reached, the Law Ministry has agreed and sat with my staff. We have redone it to a point where it will give women a lot of power to, or at least it will give the National Commission for Women a lot of power to handle women's questions.
तो महिला एवं बाल कल्याण मंत्री मेनका गांधी बता रही थी कि किस तरह से उनके पास कई सारे प्लान्स हैं, लेकिन चूंकि प्रधानमंत्री के विदेश दौरे कई सारे थे, इसलिए जो प्रेजेंटेशन, अगर आपको याद हो कि सभी मंत्रालयों को कहा गया था कि वो अपने अपने लेवल पे प्रेजेंटेशन दे, सभी मंत्री प्रेजेंटेशन दे, आगे का उनका एजेंडा क्या रहने वाला है, इसी को लेकर मेनका गांधी ने कहा कि हम अभी तक अपना प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दे पाए हैं, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री विदेशों का दौरा करते रहे हैं। इस बीच महाराष्ट्र में और हरियाणा में, जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, विधानसभा चुनाव हुए। अब उनको प्रेजेंटेशन दिया जाएगा और सशक्तिकरण, महिला सशक्तिकरण और बाल विकास के लिए जो कुछ भी संभव हो सकता है वो करेंगे।